Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we will examine the rules associated with providing information and records to the Internal Revenue Service. It is very important that individuals enrolled to practice before the IRS have a clear understanding of the requirements in this area. Where providing information is requested by the Internal Revenue Service is concerned, the individual practitioner must keep three basic rules in mind. First, a practitioner must, upon request by the IRS, promptly submit any records or information in the matter before the IRS unless the practitioner reasonably believes that the requested records or information are privileged. Second, let's take a look at a situation where the Internal Revenue Service requests information or records, but the practitioner is not in possession of the records or information. Under these circumstances, the practitioner must provide the Internal Revenue Service with any information that the practitioner has regarding the identity of any person that the practitioner reasonably believes might have the information or records. In a situation such as this, the practitioner is also required to make reasonable inquiry of his or her client regarding the identity of any person who might have the information or records. Finally, a practitioner may not interfere or attempt to interfere with any proper and lawful effort by the Internal Revenue Service to gather any information or records, unless the practitioner reasonably believes that the information or records are privileged.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.